How you doing? My name is Tim. I've been playing drums for about 20 years now. I currently play for a Haitian Pentecostal church in the Boston area along with my band. We've played for a few different artists, a couple in Canada, shout out to Emmeline and Jean-Jean, and we also have played with an artist out of Rhode Island. Her name is Tony T. The sticks I use are the 5A Reach and the 7A Reach. I use two different ones because I play a couple different styles depending on the gig I'm playing. I primarily use the 5AR, but if I'm gonna play jazz or if I'm gonna play fusion or pop or R&B, I'll play the 7A Reach. I love those two in particular because of the feel of the stick. The length gives me that extra reach, hence the name. And I also love them for the durability. I can use one pair of sticks anywhere from a few weeks to a month, depending on how frequently I'm playing. The track I'm about to play for you guys is called Blood Cell, and in this video I will be using the 5A Reach. Enjoy.